Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, we are learning chapter 9.2, conversions of fractions. Conversions of fractions. So, here we learned proper fraction, improper, and mixed fraction, and how to convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper. Who can tell me what is a proper fraction? Raise your hand and tell me the answer. Yes, Angelo. Proper fraction.
Ma'am, fraction have numerator less than denominator.
Okay, numerator less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper. So, children, just listen or understand the concept. Mean numerator less means proper. Okay, so what is improper? Yes, children. Yes,
Fraction,
improper.
fraction have
Yes, Len. I
numerator
asked Len.
greater than denominator.
Ma'am, numerator is big, denominator is small.
Numerator is greater than the denominator. Such fractions are improper. Okay, children. Then mixed fraction. Yes, Nora.
Fractions having a whole number and a proper fraction.
Very good. Fractions having a whole number and a proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Okay, to children, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, what we will do? We will divide. We will divide, and the answer, that is the quotient, will be the whole number, and remainder will be the numerator. Remainder will be the numerator, and write the same denominator. And how to convert mixed fraction into improper? What we will do? Multiply the whole number and denominator. Multiply the whole number and denominator. Then add the numerator. Okay. So, children, have you done the homework 13th B? What's the answer? Question number 13B. That was the homework. Yes, then
28.
28 by
28.
28 by 3. That is, so, okay. So, children, it's a fraction. So, you have to write the answer as 28 by 3. Okay. So, children, we are going to do now, question. I will ask one by one. So, question number 13B was a homework, and the answer is 28 by 3. 28 by 3. Okay, Shabiri, can you read question number 14A?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 14A.
Convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction.
Convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. What we have to do? It is 27 by 5. We have to divide. So all the children, please pay attention. We will do question number A in the class, and question number B will be homework. So when we do questions here in the class, please pay attention and listen carefully. We will do together. Question number 14. Children, 14B. Page number 31. Question number 14A we will do now, and question number B, children, 14th B is homework. So you have to listen carefully how we are doing question number 14A, same method. So question number 14A, convert the improper into mixed fraction. Improper fraction here, question is 27 by 5. Okay, all of you divide and tell me the answer. 27 will be the dividend, and the denominator we will write outside. That is the divisor. So see the table 1 into 5. How to divide, you know already. We learned division 2, 5. Okay, children, you have to tell me how many times we have to take from here. Yes? 5, yes. Angelo, say it again.
Ma'am, 5 into 5 is equal to 25.
Yes, children, 5 5s are 25. 5 into 6 is
30.
30. So 30 we cannot take. Here we have only 27. So children, we will take here 5 into 5. You know already division. So we are just revising. 5 into 5 is 25. So what is the remainder? Yes, Nora?
2.
2. So, children, you have to tell me how we can write this as the mixed number here, and which is the whole number, which is here, this is the quotient. So children, listen carefully. If you have any doubt, look here now carefully, and 14b you have to do alone, then you will understand. So here question number 2 is here, this 2 is remainder and 5 is the same here, denominator is that divisor. So 27 by 5, what you have to do, you have to divide, and here quotient is 5 and the remainder is 2. So Algan, can you say is as a mixed fraction? Yes, Algan, which is the whole number? Which is the answer here? It's not audible. You said 5. Yes, 5. And can you say louder? It's not audible. It's not audible. Mewell, can you say it louder? So 5 is the quotient. That is the whole number. And which is the?
2 is the remainder.
2 by 2 will be the numerator. 2 by?
2.
2 by 5. 5 and 2 by 5 is the answer. So children, how we can see? Here when you divide, you will get the quotient and the remainder. So here the quotient is 5. That quotient 5 we will write as the whole number. Look here, that 5 as the whole number. And here which is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. And that 2 will be the numerator. And look at the denominator in the question here. Denominator is 5 and write down the same denominator. So the answer is 5 and 2 by 5. So this is the question when we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So when we divide 27 by 5, what you will get? 5 as the quotient and 2 is the remainder and the same denominator 5. So the answer is 5 and 2 by 5. So question number 14b, children, you have to do as homework. So what is the same question? Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what you have to do? You have to divide and write the quotient as the whole number, and the remainder will be the numerator, and write the same denominator. Same question for 14b you have to do. After when you finish, I will send the notes. You can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. So next question, question number 15a. So Aiden, can you read question number 15? Aiden? Question number 15, yes. Can you read? Can you read page number 31? I think you joined late. Yes, page number 31. So you joined late. So children, we have done only question number 14a. Look here.
15.
Now 14a is over. 14b you have to do as homework. Now 15. Read question number 15. Louder. Louder. Yes.
List out proper
List out. Louder. List out.
fractions and mixed fraction from the following.
So children, you have to list out proper, improper, mixed fractions from the list of. All the children, please listen and you have to tell me the answer. Yes, Aiden, can you say which is proper? Proper means what? Proper fraction means? Fractions with?
Numerator up, denominator down.
So what will be numerator? Numerator is the number on the top. So can you say what is proper fraction?
Numerator should be small and the denominator
Numerator
should be big.
small. Numerator small. Very good. So numerators, fractions having numerator less than the denominator. That is proper. So you have to see, there are many fractions given. 5 and 1 by 3. That is a mixed fraction. Don't take proper fraction from that 5 and 1 by 3. That is mixed fraction. Other than that, you have some improper, some proper. You have to identify which is proper. Can you say the answer, Aiden? Look at the question.
A mixed fraction.
Proper fractions. Proper means numerator less. So question number children 15A.
7.
1 minute. Children, all the children you have to do with me. Proper fraction. Write and list out all the proper fraction. Yes, Aiden? Tell me the answer.
2 by 7.
Very good. 2 by 7. And check, is there any more?
6 by 11.
6 by 11. Very good. Only this much. Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
we
1 by
have
4.
2 by 7 and 6 by 11. Next, Binnu has to tell me improper. Binnu. Improper. What is improper? What is improper?
And there's more.
Huh? Yes. Is there any more?
Yes.
70 by 8.
1 by 4 and 5 by 11.
No, that is from question number B. Question number B we are not taking now. We are doing question number A. Question number B, children, you will do as homework. Yes, Binnu, improper fraction.
70 by 8.
Yes. 5 by 3. Very good. 5 by 3.
1 by 5.
Yes.
6 by 11.
6 by 11 is the numerator is greater.
1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by
Yes.
5.
9 by. Check which all fractions have numerator greater. Numerator greater.
5.
It's I think some network issue. Okay, so who can tell me? Ananda Krishan, look at your question number 15. It's not clear for me. That's why some distraction. It's some network issue. Yes, Ananda Krishan, look at the question and give me improper. Improper means numerator greater. Yes.
Numerator.
5 by 3. He has already said the answer. 5 by 3. Yes. Then
5 by 3. 9 by 2.
very good. 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Yes. Then check, is there any more?
17 by 18.
Very good. 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Now, children, you have to write mixed fraction. Mixed fractions.
Can I?
Yes. Yes.
7 by 10. 4.
From where? Mixed fractions. Question number A only.
Only 1 by 2. 8. 1 by 2 by 8.
5 and 1 by 3. Then you can say like that. 8 and 1 by 2. You have to read like that. 5
Yes.
and 1 by 3. 8 and 1 by 2. Then check, is there any more?
13 and 1 by 5.
Very good. 13 and 1 by 5. So children, this is question number 15A. Shabari and Niranjan, are you there here? Are you writing? Children, you have to write it faster.
Okay, ma'am.
Proper, children, question number 15A, all of you write it fast. And then question number 15B, you have to do same like this. That is homework. Question number 15A, children, all of you listen here again. Proper fraction, there are given 5 and 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 8 and 1 by 2, 5 by 3, 9 by 2. Like that, many from these fractions, you have to identify which is the proper fraction. So children, you have said already what is proper fraction. Numerator is less, or we can say numerator is small. So here 2 by 7 and 6 by 11, they are proper because they have numerator small number than the denominator. Now, which is the improper fraction? Improper means numerator greater. Numerator greater. So, Andarshan told that answer here. 5 by 3, 9 by 2, 17 by 8. Okay. Now, mixed fractions means we know already what is mixed fraction. It will be having a whole number and a proper fraction. So, here whole number is 5 and 1 by 3 is proper fraction. So 5 and 1 by 3, 8 and 1 by 2, 13 and 1 by 5. So children, like the same B, question number 15B, children, you have to do as homework. Same. Identify from the list of fractions, identify proper, improper, and mixed fraction. Okay, children. After when you finish, I will send the notes and you can check whether you got correct answer. All the children, please turn on your camera. Aisha, Evangel, Krishnesh, please turn on the camera. Now, Mival, you have to read the next question, question number 16. So children, those who have not completed, write it fast, and B, you have to do this
Convert
homework.
the
Yes,
following
Mival.
into mixed fraction.
Okay, convert the following into mixed
Mixed
fraction. Okay. What is question number 16A?
150 by 12.
So children, convert this improper. Here the fraction is improper, means numerator is greater than the denominator. 150 by 12. Children, all of you has to do this alone. 15, we have 16A, 16B, 16C, and 16D. Okay, question number A we will do together. What do you have to do? Divide 150 by 12. So children, you have to write the table of 12. 150 divided by 12. Okay. So write down the table. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2. What's the answer? 24. 12 times 3. 36. So look here, 15 and please mute your audio. Algan, look at the board, Algan. And see which one we can take here. Here we have the 15 is greater than 12. So we can divide. So look here, 12 and 24. Which one we can take? Here we have only 15.
12.
12. Very good. Why? Because this 12 only we can take. 24 is greater than 15. So we cannot take. So 12 times 1, 12. Children, we are doing the division together. And I will give you B and D. You have to do alone. So 5 minus 2. What's the remainder? What's the remainder? 5 minus 2. Algan. What is the remainder?
3.
3. Yes. Then what we'll do? Bring down 30. Now check again. Where will be 30? Between 24 and 36. So what will take? 24. So 12 times 2 we had to take. 2 times 12, 24. Yes. So we know 30 minus 24, that is, remainder is 6.
3.
Okay. Now, children, we have to write the answer. 150 divided by 12. So here, 12. Please mute your audio. Some distractions here. So 12 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. So what we can write? How we can write the answer? Yes, Noel. Noel, unmute and say the answer. Noel. Unmute. Then can you say the answer? There is I think network problem. Len. 150 by 12. So we got the 12 as a quotient, remainder is 6. So how can we write as a whole number? Which is the whole number? 12. The quotient is 12, the whole number. Yes, then?
6 by 12.
Very good, 6 by 12. So look here, the denominator is here 12. That 12 we can write here as the denominator, same denominator. And the remainder will be the numerator, 6. And here 12, the quotient will be the whole number. So 12 and 6 by 12 is the answer. Children, did you get the answer? Yes? Okay. Now question number 16b. Children, you can start. 198. Ekraj, divide and find out the answer. 198 divided by 43. So children, if you don't know the multiplication table of 43, so what we have to do, write down 43 multiplied by 1, find out the answer. 43 into 2. 43 times. See, first we take first two numbers, 19. 19 is small, so what you cannot divide, so you have to take 198. So write down all the table till 198. 43 times 4. You have to multiply and find out the table. Okay, children. 43. Write 43 into 1. 43 into 2. Find out the multiplications on the side and write the table. I will ask one by one now. I want all the children to do alone. 43 into 1, 43. That you know already. 43 into 2. Find out the answer and tell me.
40.
86.
43 into 2.
86.
86. Yes. What about 43 times 3? 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So
129.
29. Yes. Now what about 43 times 4? Children, you have to do till 198. Okay. 43 times 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16
172.
plus 1. Okay, 172. Now we will do one more. 43 times 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry over. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 215. Can we take 215 from here?
No.
No, because that is bigger. So 215 we cannot take. So what we have to do? You have to take the number before. What is that? 1, 172. Okay. So 172 only we can take from here. 43 times 4. 43 times 4. 172. So what's the remainder? 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2.
Okay, 7, 8, 9.
6. 2. So the answer is
Ma'am, answer is 26.
26.
Yes, 6. So how we can write here? Yes, children, we have to write. So the answer 198 by 43 can be written as 198 by 43 can be written as, which is the whole number? Look at the quotient.
Ma'am, ma'am, answer is 4.
4. And which is the remainder?
Ma'am, 43 and 26 divided by
By
43.
Yes. So children, 4 and 26 by 43. So 4 is the whole number. 4 is the whole number and remainder is 26. So 26 by 43. 4 and 26 by 43. Did you get the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now try to do question number C and D. Question number C. Children, here just divide. Find out the quotient, find out the remainder and write it as a mixed fraction. Question number C and D. Okay, we'll start. Question number 14C. 230 divided by 35. 230 divided by 35. So children, write down the table of 35. 35 into 1. 35 times 2. 35 times 3. Find out the answer. 35 into 1, 35. It's 70. It's 105. 35 times 4. Multiply, find out the answer. 230 divided by 35. 35 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry over. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. It's 140. Children, you have to write till 230 because here our dividend is 230. Delna, are you doing? Find out alone. 35 times 5. 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 plus 2.
175.
175. What about the next one? 35 into 6.
210.
35 into 6. 210. Yes. 35 times 6. 210. Now we will do one more because here we have 230. 35 into 7.
Next one. Ma'am, next one is 245.
So that we cannot take. Yes. 35 into 7 we cannot take because that is greater than 230. Okay. So children, what we can take from here? We cannot take 245. We can take only 210. So that is 35 into 6. 210. So what's the remainder? 3 minus 1, 2. 20. 2 minus 2, 0. So this 20 is less than 35. So our division is over. 230 divided by 35. Leon CL, can you say the answer? Here answer. Here 6 is the quotient and 20 is the remainder.
35.
Yes?
35.
Ma'am, can I say?
Now,
6
yes.
is quotient and 20 divided by 35.
Yes, children, you can say the answer. Yes. 6 and 20. Which is the remainder? 20 by 35. Did you get the
35.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, children, what you have to do to find to convert this improper fraction to mixed, you have to just divide, find out the quotient. That quotient will be the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator and write the same denominator. Okay, children. So question number, I think time is over. So what do you have to do? 14. This is question number 16. I think this is question number 16. 16D you can do as homework. Okay. Same this. What is the question? 135 divided by 7. It's very easy. That 7, you know the multiplication table of 7. Divide and find out the answer. Okay, children? Okay. So, children, what we learned here, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Numerator is, wait 1 minute. We will just quickly revise. Numerator is less than the denominator. That is proper. And improper, numerator will be greater than, numerator is greater than denominator. So, mixed fraction means a whole number and a proper fraction. So, how to convert improper to mixed? How to just divide. The whole number will be the new quotient and the remainder. What is the number remainder? That will be the numerator. Write the same denominator from as the question. Okay, children. So I have given you the homework. Complete the homework. Try to do this alone. If you practice alone, otherwise you will forget. Okay, children. Then I will send the notes. You can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Bye.
Well, ma'am, thank you, ma'am.